Good morning, students. Today we are starting again class 10th science book, chapter 4, immunity and blood groups. And today's topic is Rh factor. It is also known Rh antigen. Once again, today we are starting again class 10th science book, chapter 4, immunity and blood groups. Today's topic is Rh factor or Rh antigen. First of all, introduction of Rh factor. It was discovered in a species of monkey named Macaca rhesus. Macaca rhesus. Students, first two letter of rhesus word, including the nomenclature of Rh factor. Once again, first two letter of rhesus word, including Rh factor or nomenclature in Rh factor. Next, Rh factor is a antigen. So Rh factor is situated on RBC surface. Students, remembers all blood related antigen are located or situated RBC surface, like antigen A, antigen B and antigen Rh or Rh antigen situated on RBC surface. Next, chemical composition of Rh factor. Students, Rh factor is a protein. Rh factor is a protein. Next, Rh factor to have about 417 amino acids. Students, remember, for example, carbon's valency of carbons is 4. First, carboxylic acid, so acid. Second, amine group, so amino. Next, hydrogen. Third, alkyl. Structure of amino acid. Once again, carboxylic acid, so acid. Amine, so amino. Next, single unit of protein is amino acid. More than 2 amino acid, more than two amino acid, it means amino, it means acid, bind to peptide bond, it means protein to have peptide bond, amino acid to have peptide bond. Second single unit of protein is amino acid. So RH factor to have approximately or about 417 amino acid. These amino acid proper binded by peptide bond. Next is types of RH factor in humans. Next, types of RH factor in human. Mostly 5 types of RH factor in human. First is RHD, second is RH capital E, third is RH small e, fourth is RH capital C, and fifth is RH capital C, small c. Frequency of RH factors, frequency of RHD is 85%, frequency of RHE capital E is 30%, frequency of RH small e 78%. Next, frequency of capital RHC is 80% and frequency of small c is 80%. Next is percent of RH factor in human. So it is called RH positive. Approximately 85% population in world is RH positive. Once again, if percent of RH factor on RBC surface in humans, so it is called RH positive human. In world, approximately or about 85% population is RH positive. Second, if absent of RH factor in on surface in human, on surface of RBC in humans, it is called RH negative. Approximately 15% population is RH negative. Once again, if percent of RH factor on RBC surface in humans, it is called RH positive human. In world population is 85% is RH positive. If absent of RH factor on RBC surface in humans, so it is called RH negative humans. In world population, about 15% is RH negative. Next, sometimes blood group is same, but if a single person to donate another person, it means if any person to donate blood to another same blood group persons, sometimes receiving persons, receiving humans become dead. So some complex in RH, some complex of RH factor. First is not only the blood group but matching of the RH factor. during blood donation. Second, next, transfer of blood from Rh positive person to Rh negative person results in the development of IgG antibody. Students, maximum amount of antibody found in humans is IgG. Only single IgG antibody is across to placenta. It means to transfer easily mother to fetus through placenta. IgG antibodies against in the recipient. Next, these antibodies, it means IgG antibodies destroy RBC of recipient Next is accumulation of large amount of harmful compound called bilirubin. Students, it is a pigment in the blood. It means deposition of bilirubin pigment in large amount. So liver and spleen, it is a organ located nearby stomach. Spleen, so liver and spleen cannot proper functioning. They may lead to the failure of the kidney and can ultimately result in the death. Once again, complexity या complex of RH factor. Sometimes blood group is same but RH factor is different. So if a donor person is RH positive but recipient is RH negative, if recipient person to receive RH positive blood, so maximum amount of IgG antibodies develop in recipient bodies. These antibodies destroy recipient RBC, and second, in a specific pigment increase or deposits in large amount of recipient blood. So liver, spleen are cannot proper functioning. Finally, kidney failure and the recipient person is death. Next, second, complex of RH factor. Second complex of RH factor. First, parent second. If parent first is male, so female, it means father, it means male. So parent second is mother, it means woman. If father is RH positive, mother is RH negative. If RH positive male or fathers marriage to RH negative women, so first progeny become normal, but second progeny is died before parturition and after parturition. Before parturition or after parturition. If first progeny is RH positive, so first progeny is normal because less amount antibody develop in mother. Once again, if RH positive male marries to RH negative woman and first progeny, if progeny RH positive, so first progeny is normal because during parturition mother and progeny blood proper mix up or some amount mix up, so progeny is RH positive, mother is RH negative, so some antibody develop in RH in women's in mother, but these antibody are developed in less amount, so any harmful effect, no harmful effect on first progeny. But if second progeny is RH positive, second progeny, if second progeny is RH positive, so during parturition and after birth, progeny become died because antibody developed in maximum amount in mother. These antibody burst to RBC of child or fetus. Once again, if second progeny is RH positive, so during parturition or after birth, progeny become died because antibody develop in maximum amount in mother. These antibody to burst to RBC and progeny, second progeny infected to erythroblastosis fetalis, erythroblastosis fetalis disease, it means RBC, it means blast, it means 2 months baby. Once again, second progeny infected to a specific disease, erythroblastosis fetalis, it means maximum amount of antibodies burst to blast of RBC of fetus. Once again, maximum amount of antibodies burst or blast RBC of fetus. So second progeny become infected erythroblastosis fetalis. Students, remember, RBC it means red blood corpuscles, WBT means white blood corpuscles, third is platelets, they are blood corpuscles 1 2 3, they forms approximately 45% part of blood. Another name of RBC is erythrocyte, another name of WBC is leukocyte, another name of platelets is thrombocyte. So erythro it means RBC, erythro it means RBC, blastocyst means blast or burst, fetalis it means 2 months baby. Next is treatment. Treatment of erythroblastosis fetalis. First, for the erythroblastosis fetalis disease, mother is vaccinated with anti-IgG antibodies or anti-RHD within 24 hours of the first delivery. Students, these are called Rohagam antibodies. Once again, treatment of erythroblastosis fetalis. For the erythroblastosis fetalis disease, mother is vaccinated with anti-IG antibodies. It means after parturition, after first delivery, doctor injection or doctor inject vaccine of anti-IgG antibodies and anti-RHD. This is called Rohagam antibodies, or these are called Rohagam antibodies. So thanks, have a nice day.